go, folks. Nice, quick, easy-ish acoustic one. Chris Cornell's absolutely banging James Bond theme, You Know My Name. Now, obviously, we're looking at the acoustic version of this tune. So, the intro goes... Okay, pretty straightforward. You get around that 3 times, and the last time you play... Okay, so what you've got there is a B minor, then a G, then an E major. And you're going to have to move all of your fingers each time you change the chords. Okay? When he goes to the E, he often puts in a sus4, which is adding your little finger to the 2nd fret on that G string, right? Okay, so that would be... Okay, pretty straightforward. One thing to note about the strumming is that he's strumming around here, not back here, okay? And generally, I think he uses just his fingers, but I've got a plectrum, so I would recommend you do that as well. Now, the last chords are B minor to D to E. It doesn't matter if you hit the low E there for that last chord, okay? Then you're into the verse part. Verse part goes round like this. So that was 2 identical sections with the F sharp at the end. Okay, so you're going to do B minor with this rhythm. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And that rhythm goes pretty much throughout then, okay? So that's it for 3 bars. Then you move that shape all down 1 string and up 1 fret, if you like, okay? So you can kind of keep the shape. Okay, to go to the G. Then you do 1 bar of the G. Middle finger off to G minor. Then to a D, an open D. Now that is 6 bars so far, but it loops around from that point. So you're going to go back to 3 more bars of the B minor. G to G minor. To D. And then F sharp. For 2 bars. Then you go to the bridge, and that is this. Now you're going to repeat that around again, but let's go for those chords. It's a G, down 1 fret to an F sharp, both major, and you go to okay, so that is the B minor. Take your first finger off. Okay, so you've got a B minor with A in the bass, and then a B minor with G sharp in the bass, basically. So these 3 fingers stay the same. Don't move those. Now, it doesn't matter if you hit the open B and E there. Okay? So you play that round twice, but the second time you're going to hang on this G sharp in the bass version of the B minor. And to the F sharp again. And then you're into the chorus, right? So the whole bridge would be this. Into the chorus. It's getting good. Chorus is basically the intro. So you already know those chords, and it's just with the same strumming. So it's going to be... So you've got a bar of B minor, a bar of G. This time he frets it using the sort of open G position. And then E in the open position. And that's for 2 bars again, you can put there. So, you play that 3 times and then you stick on the G for 2 bars and then you go to the E for 2 bars. Then coming out of the chorus, you've got this cool bit. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then back into the verse. So that is just 2 lots of E minor this time, okay? So you've got just down, up. And it starts on the first beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you go down, up on the first beat, and then you cover the strings. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, pretty straightforward. Then you go back to the verse. You go around the whole thing again. The second time, you don't play that bit at that part. You go back into the chorus, I think. So you'll play... etc. Right? And I think the only other different part is you've got... got a G for 2 bars to an E minor for 2 bars. So that's it, all the parts you need. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.